Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best Tn436bk is probably one of the most sought-after printer consumables in today's fast-paced digital world, offering a compelling blend of quality, reliability, and cost-effectiveness that makes it a standout choice for both home and office users alike. As we delve into the intricacies of this particular toner cartridge, we'll explore what sets it apart from the competition and why it consistently earns high marks from those who demand crisp, clear prints every single time, ensuring your documents and photos look their absolute best. Number 5. Uniwork compatible toner cartridge for Brother Tn436. Introducing the Uniwork compatible toner cartridges, designed to seamlessly replace your Brother Tn436 and Tn433 toner. Get vibrant colors and sharp black prints with every use. Experience exceptional performance with these high-yield cartridges. The black and color cartridges each offer an impressive 6,500 pages of printing at 5% coverage, ensuring you can print more for longer. These toner cartridges are compatible with a wide range of Brother printers, including models like the MFC L8900CDW, HL L8360CDW, and MFC L9570CDW. Enjoy hassle-free installation and reliable printing. This convenient 4-pack includes one black, one cyan, one magenta, and one yellow Tn436 toner cartridge. You'll have all the colors you need for your printing tasks. Achieve professional quality results with our super high-yield toner. They are engineered to produce brilliant colors and crisp, clear black text, making your documents stand out. Get more value with our Tn436 cartridges, offering a higher page yield than the Tn433. This means fewer replacements and more cost-effective printing for your business or home office. What we like. This option offers a super high yield, meaning fewer replacements and more printing. It produces brilliant colors and sharp black prints, ensuring your documents and photos look professional. If you have a high-volume printing need and want consistently excellent output, this is the choice for you. What people say. The toner cartridge is a genuine Brother product, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance with compatible Brother printers. This high-yield toner cartridge offers an estimated page yield of up to 12,000 pages, making it a cost-effective solution for high-volume printing needs. The Tn436bk toner is designed for crisp, clear, and vibrant black and white prints, delivering professional quality documents every time. Number 4. V4 Ink Tn433 Tn431 compatible toner cartridge, color set. Introducing the V4 Ink Tn433 Tn431 compatible toner cartridge, designed for vibrant color printing. This set includes black, cyan, magenta, and yellow cartridges for your convenience. Get more pages for less with these toner cartridges. Enjoy up to 4,500 pages per black cartridge and 4,000 pages per color cartridge at 5% coverage. These cartridges are perfectly compatible with a range of Brother printers. They are designed to work seamlessly with models like the HL L8000 series and MFC L8000 series. Experience reliable printing with vivid colors and exceptional quality every time. These cartridges ensure great reliability for all your printing needs. They are the perfect partner for your printer, offering easy installation and quick recognition. Simply pop them in and start printing with confidence. What we like. This color set provides a cost-effective way to get all your toner needs met. It delivers reliable printing results with vivid colors, making it a perfect partner for your printer. If you're looking for a balanced solution for both color and black and white printing without breaking the bank, consider this set. What people say. The toner is compatible with my Brother printer and prints clearly. The cartridge was easy to install and recognized by the printer immediately. Number 3. V4 Ink Tn431bk Tn433bk compatible toner replacement. Get a high-yield black toner replacement for your printer. This pack includes one black cartridge designed for consistent performance. Enjoy printing up to 4,500 pages at 5% coverage with each black cartridge. This means you can print more while spending less. It's designed to work seamlessly with various Brother printer models, including the HL L8260CDW, HL L8360CDW, and MFC L8900CDW series. Experience reliable printing with sharp text, bold blacks, and crisp graphics every time you print. This toner is the perfect partner for your printer. It's easy to install and readily recognized, ensuring a hassle-free printing experience. What we like. This product focuses on providing a single black toner cartridge with a high page yield. It's designed for reliable printing results, delivering sharp text and bold blacks. If your primary need is for high-quality black and white printing and you want to stock up on just black toner, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Tn436bk is a high-yield toner cartridge, offering approximately 6,500 pages per cartridge. This toner cartridge is compatible with several brother printer models, including the HL L9310CDW and MFC L9570CDW. The print quality is consistently sharp and vibrant, making it suitable for professional documents and graphics. Number 2. INK eSale compatible toner for Brother Tn436 Super High Yield, 4-pack. Get ready for exceptional printing with our compatible toner. It's designed to be a cost-effective solution for your printing needs. This toner offers a super high yield, providing up to 6,500 pages per cartridge. It's perfect for high-volume printing tasks. Our package includes 4 toner cartridges, 1 black, 1 cyan, 1 magenta, and 1 yellow. You'll also find a user guide for easy setup. These cartridges are compatible with a range of brother printers, including models like the MFC L8900CDW and HL L8360CDW. Ensure seamless integration with your device. This is a reliable replacement for Brother Tn436, Tn433, and Tn431 toner cartridges. Enjoy quality printing without the premium price. We are committed to meeting your needs by offering affordable and high-quality printing supplies. Experience the difference with our products. What we like. This option boasts a super high yield for both black and color cartridges, offering great value. It's a cost-effective solution designed to meet your printing needs efficiently. If you prioritize maximizing your printing output and minimizing costs, especially with a 4-pack that includes a user guide for easy setup, this is a strong contender. What people say. The toner cartridge is easy to install and produces crisp, clear prints. This toner offers excellent print quality, with vibrant colors and sharp text. The high yield of this cartridge means fewer replacements and more printing. Number 1. V4 Ink Tn436 Toner Replacement for Brother Printers. Introducing the V4 Ink Tn436 Toner Set, including black, cyan, magenta, and yellow cartridges. Get vibrant colors for all your printing needs. Experience cost-effective printing with impressive page yields. The black cartridge offers 6,500 pages, and each color cartridge also provides 6,500 pages at 5% coverage. This toner is designed for seamless compatibility with a range of brother printers. It's the perfect partner for models like the HL L8260CDW and MFC L9570CDW series. Achieve consistently reliable results with every print. Enjoy vivid colors and exceptional quality that you can depend on. Setting up your printer is a breeze. These cartridges are designed for easy installation and are quickly recognized by your machine. What we like. This set offers a high page yield for all cartridges, ensuring you can print a lot before needing replacements. It's known for vivid color reproduction and great reliability. If you're looking for a dependable, high-capacity toner solution that delivers consistently vibrant prints, this is the one to go for. What people say. The print quality is excellent, producing sharp and clear text. The toner cartridge was easy to install and recognized by the printer immediately. This toner offers a high page yield, which is great for heavy printing needs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.